How did the Indian Army protect the Golden Temple in Amritsar and foil the Pakistan Army missile strike aimed at?
The answer to this question needs a little bit of background. Consequent to Pak Army-sponsored dastardly terrorist attack on innocent tourists, both domestic and international, nation's anger under able leadership took the form of Operation Sindoor, wherein befitting punitive strikes were carried out on exclusive terror targets. 9 targets were hit, which were selected from the many available terror camps based on precise and current intelligence. This was to avoid collateral damage, a fact openly admitted by the Pak Army. Of the 9 targets, 7 were exclusively destroyed by the Indian Army. This would be a decisive victory under all parameters because all political and military objectives were achieved. Of these targets, the Murid Ke, which is in proximity of Lahore, houses the Lashkar-e-Tayyaba headquarters as also the Jaish-e-Mohammed headquarters at Bahawalpur, which were struck with absolute precision. Soon after the strikes, we issued a statement clarifying that we intentionally did not target any Pak military or civilian infrastructure. Before the strikes went in, our surveillance, electronic warfare, early warning and air defense assets were suitably deployed. Knowing that Pak Army does not have any legitimate targets, we anticipated that he will target Indian military installations, civilian targets, including religious places. Of these, Golden Temple appeared to be the most prominent. We also received credible intelligence that Golden Temple is a prime target, which we had brainstormed earlier. We mobilized additional modern air defense assets to give a holistic air defense umbrella cover to Golden Temple, which is a veritable symbol of nation's syncretic faith. On 8th early morning in the hours of darkness, Pakistan carried out a massive air assault with unmanned aerial weapons, primarily drones and long-range missiles. We were fully prepared since we had anticipated this, and our brave heart and alert Army air defense gunners thwarted Pakistan Army's nefarious designs and shot down all drones and missiles targeted at Golden Temple, thus not allowing even a scratch to come on our holy Golden Temple.
Three times!